Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup receipts with Shoeboxed for investors. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Shoeboxed website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you've logged in, you'll see an easy to navigate dashboard. To upload your receipts, click on the upload button. You can choose to upload receipts directly from your computer. Alternatively, you can use the Shoeboxed mobile app for convenient scanning. If using the app, select the option to take a photo of your receipt. Ensure the entire receipt is visible within the frame before snapping the picture. After capturing the image, confirm that the photo is clear and readable. Once satisfied, proceed to upload the receipt. Shoeboxed will process the receipt and extract key information automatically. You can check the status of the processing on your dashboard. After processing, your receipts will be organized by date and vendor. To categorize your receipts for better tracking, click on the receipt you want to organize. Select the appropriate category that best describes the expense. Make sure to add any notes or tags if needed for future reference. If you need to export your receipts, go to the Reports section. Choose the date range and categories you want to include in your export. Select your preferred export format, such as PDF or CSV. Once you've made your selections, click Generate Report to download it. Regularly backing up your receipts will help keep your finances organized. Review your receipts periodically to ensure all necessary documents are accounted for. Using Shoeboxed makes managing your receipts easy and efficient, especially for investors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.